It wasn't a bird, plane, or Superman, but homeowners and house guests alike were still treated with a special sight when they looked up at the ceiling medallions which surrounded central light fixtures in 19th century homes. While found in American homes since the 1700s, ceiling medallions, like those found throughout Eichhorn Hall, experienced a surge in popularity by the mid to late 1800s, as the Rococo Revival style and more ornamental elements came into fashion. Medallions first gained traction among the upper middle and upper classes, as they could afford the central light fixtures which medallions adorned. As a result, ceiling medallions were seen as a status symbol, often made from the custom-done and thus more expensive option of plaster. As such a sign of wealth, more elaborately designed or decorated ceiling medallions were kept in the principal rooms of the home, where guests would be most likely to see them. Therefore, rooms like the front parlor, front hall, and dining room contained the most impressive medallions, while less visible areas, like the upstairs hall, tended to be smaller and less ornate. However, ceiling medallions were not only a decorative feature of a 19th century home, but a functional one as well. Indeed, during this period prior to electricity, all light fixtures involved a flame, whether powered by candlelight, whale oil, kerosene, or gas. Thus, upon use, these fixtures produced soot, which easily and quickly accumulated on the ceiling above. In the absence of another source of indoor lighting, and to avoid the cost and time involved in repainting a room's entire ceiling, medallions provided a useful alternative. For given their location directly above the fixtures, they could absorb the dirt and protect the rest of the ceiling. Thus, when dirt accumulated, only the medallion needed to be repainted, saving time and money. As electricity replaced earlier indoor light sources, the ceiling medallion became less of a necessity and eventually fell out of style by the mid-20th century. But not before they made an impression that still has gazes looking upward to catch a glimpse of those that remain today.